Well guys, here we are, the what did I catch video that ended up being European Hornets. I plugged them up a month ago, brought them back home. They're been sitting here in the yard for a month. We're going to open them up and see what we got. So we're going to call this one, I guess, the unboxing of the European Hornets. We'll pause it, put it on the tripod, and we're going to get going. Well, I'm not going to lie to you, I've already looked in it, took the lid off of it. Got scared crapless because there's two dead ones right on top. They weren't quite dead when I looked in on them about a week ago. They were still moving around. That is how big these monsters are. Put it in the palm of my hand to show they are bigger than the first joint of my finger. And that's after they shriveled up. Has a god-awful smell to it. There's another one. Let you look down in there before I open it. It looks like it goes from about right here all the way over. I'll try to pull all the frames out at one and see if we can get a view of well, that was good. Well, I guess we're going to find a little stick or something to jam in there to hold the phone in place, because I didn't think to do that earlier. Alright, so it's hopefully queens are the only ones that survived the winter. Hopefully they're dead too, because I would hate to open this thing up and have a queen come out and nail me. Yep, see, they're all coming out as one. Should have brought a hive tool. I think I got one right there. Oh, it's actually attached to the side of the box. Alright, now let's try it. Oh, jeez. Freaking cockroach scared the living piss out of me. You guys saw how many were coming and going out of this monster. There's a bunch of dead ones on the bottom. That's probably why it stinks so bad. Now that I Had the crap scared out of me. Turn it around so I can see what I'm actually showing you. Let's actually set that down a little lower. That's some intricate work. I'm not going to try to save it, so let's just go ahead and document what all a European Hornet hive looks like on the inside. Like I said, you can see all the dead ones down there and all the cockroaches. You can see what scared the living crap out of me. There's one that never made it out. That's a little bit bigger of a cell. I'm wondering if that's not a queen itself right there. See the way these certain cells are raised a little higher than the rest of them? Help if I get it centered, wouldn't it? I don't know what makes the difference in a queen and a worker. Oh well, let's keep going. Go ahead and saw off the pause it and put it back on the tripod. There we go. Obviously got support structures. It's the back side of it. Another dead one. Stuff starts to get tough. And there's what we're seeing down inside the frames. Guess we can cut the frames apart one at a time. Pretty neat structure. Obviously these frames will, assuming that's like the pollen or whatever they feed their brood. How well you can see that. I mean, they chewed completely through this frame. Good Lord. Wow, every cell's got that in the bottom of it. Wonder if it's whatever's, uh-oh. We have a live one. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a live European hornet. And I'm here with nothing on like an idiot, but you know, that's me. Let's see. It's dead now. Oh well, must have got into it with a knife. Oh well, let's keep going. Just for reference, this is awful hard stuff to cut, and I'm using a serrated bread knife. And they are fast builders because a bunch of ants. They are very fast builders because this trap was only out for about, I don't know, 3 months. Goodness gracious. More of the same, whatever this red stuff is. I guess we could Google that later. Smells like pollen to me. Oh well. I'd say that's a wrap because there ain't much left to do. It's all going to be same stuff, cells and cells and cells. I love the coloration. Reminds me of where the water is cut through the Grand Canyon and like Bryce Canyon down there, the layers of rock. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.